Kain guys. Goto. Chicken salad. Chicken nuggets. Ito yun. Ay, ito daw yan. Bigay niya sali. Bakit hindi puno? Binawasan mo na? Ikaw talaga. Hindi alam ka na naman. Subo kita kay Sally. Sally ha, binawasan ni Abebe. Cupcake. Shukran, Sally. Oh. Habibi ate my nuggets. Oh no. Almusal tayo guys. Mabuti at may natira pa guys. Kinain niya guys. Sarap.